Hey everybody, it's Riddle Ricky, and I've got a riddle for you. Big or small, we can solve them all. Our song today is called Rolling Along. Now here's today's little riddle. I have 4 wheels, but no engine inside. Kids pull me along for a fun little ride. What am I? A wagon! Excellent! Haha! Now here's the big riddle challenge. I have 2 big wheels and 2 wheels small. I help someone travel down the hall. When walking is hard, I save the day, helping people move on their way. What am I? A wheelchair! What a guess! Fun facts about wheelchairs. Did you know some athletes race in special wheelchairs with 3 wheels so they can go really fast? And some even race in full marathons that are 42 kilometers long. There are also electric wheelchairs that people steer with a joystick, just like a video game controller. Haha! Now here's our song.
Cars drive by and buses too. Bikes and scooters zooming through. Tractors plowing in the fields. So many things have spinning wheels. Rolling along, round and round all day long. Spin, spin, hear the sound. A circle shape that rolls around. Wagons moving down the lane. Skateboards slashing through the rain. Fire trucks racing lights that shine, helping people all the time. Rolling along, round and round all day long. Spin, spin, hear the sound. A circle shape that rolls around. Big wheels,
little wheels,
fast wheels,
slow wheels.
Spin your hands like a wheel around. Round and round and round and round. Rolling along, round and round all day long. Spin, spin, hear the sound. A circle shape that rolls around.
Rolling along, round and round all day long. Spin, spin, hear the sound.
A circle shape that rolls around.
See you next time when you come back for more adventures.